Hey, how are things? What's going on? My name is Zaf. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how this is possible to increase your Instagram follower by Termux application. We got acquainted with this app in a previous video. Everyone is trying to increase their fan following on social media. Some people buy follower and pay a lot of money to get Instagram followers, but I'm the only one who's telling you the fair method to increase their follower for free and lifetime. By the way, it's not a rocket science, let's do that. First of all, go to F-Droid website to download and install this app on your phone. I put this link in description. After that, open this app and type these commands step by step with me. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Have a nice day.
Feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single